They lost the key. But your key to a balanced PC build is to focus on these 4 points. Number 1. Choose the right casing for your PC setup. There are different sizes of casing that can affect your other PC parts like motherboard and cooler. Number 2. Choose suitable CPU and motherboard for your needs. Either you are going with Intel or AMD. Make sure the CPU and motherboard are the same generation and compatibility. Number 3. Pick the right GPU for your setup. If you're going for gaming, spending more on GPU will help increase the graphic settings and FPS. Number 4. Get the minimum recommended PSU. You can refer the table for suitable PSU wattage for your PC setup.